Every Mecwin motor goes through a journey of precision engineering. The process begins with slot paper insertion, where each coil is carefully placed with accuracy and consistency. This is followed by the automatic winding process, advanced machinery ensuring uniformity and high performance. Next comes the automatic wedge insertion, locking the windings securely in place for durability. Each unit then undergoes high voltage testing, where safety and reliability are checked to the highest standards. The process moves ahead with the shaft assembly, combining strength and precision for smooth operation. Finally, we integrate the Hall sensor assembly, enabling accurate detection and seamless control. At Mecwin, we can design and develop motors from concept to application tailored to your requirements. Any kind of requirements, just contact on this number given below. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to our all social media platforms.